This is going to be a video tutorial on how to comment out code in HTML. Let me jump over to VS Code here. I have VS Code opened up now. To comment out code, say that this first line of text I wanted to comment out. You can comment out anything that you want to. Say that I wanted to comment out this line of text right here. First thing you want to do is put your mouse cursor at the very beginning of it. Then you want to make an opening bracket, followed by an exclamation point, followed by 2 dashes. And now you can see it's commented out everything below that. What you want to do is put your mouse cursor at the very end of that line of text that you want to comment out. Make 2 more dashes and then a closing bracket. Now as you can see, the only thing that is commented out is that line of text right there, that line of code. That is the way you comment out code in HTML. Thanks for watching.